Oh, finally. Filters. Close. Close. I guess I'm live. Yeah, hi there. I'm trying this CLEU. It's got only 2.7 million shares, but it doesn't move like 2 million shares stock. I mean, it's so much kind of fluctuation. It goes up, it goes down, goes up, it goes down. It's like doesn't want to push hard. It just goes little by little. But I'm too scared to hold it for a long period of time. So I'm I'm making some and then I'm losing some. I'm making some. You see now it's selling off. So there's no like a clear long move up. So it's really hard. It's hard to trade this one. So I didn't make that much on it because I already traded 8,000 shares. So that might be a good entry. I'm in, but is it gonna go up? So I'm at 938. It's going up a little bit. Yeah, like I say, it's not moving that great. And down and up and down and up and down. I'm gonna sell some at 50. And I'm gonna put a stop on the. I want to hold it 50 shares for the bounce back. However, so far there's a red candle here. So I don't know if it's worth holding it. No, okay, I have a break-even stop at the moment. Okay, I'm out. So yeah, I just made $6 on it. So I'm getting that Control Z is my hotkey for break-even. Okay, that's good. It's kind of selling off, so I think that's it for the time being on this one. Right. So it's Friday today, last day of the trading week. I want to change. Okay, I'm gonna have to change that. Let's see. It's my stuff from yesterday. My Photoshop stuff. Right. So you can change that to day trading 64. Right, we can remove this. Doing a little bit of everything. A little bit of photoshopping, a little bit of effects. Let's change that. Oh, look, it's curling up. So it found the bottom at this level and it's starting to go up again. I think I'll be interested. That's 9. I don't know. 1001. Because I don't like how it moves. Probably even if it breaks 10, it probably will roll back down. At least for a few minutes, it will stop me again. It's a tricky one to trade, in my view, at this point. Let's just change the colors. Okay. Okay. File. Whoa! Look at this. That's a good entry, I would think. I'm afraid that it will flash even lower. I'm out with -6. I'm in again. Come on, dude. No, it doesn't want to stay there. I'm sorry, Lee. I'm streaming at the moment. Okay. You see how it doesn't move properly? So dodgy. Yeah, come on, go back up. Look, I think they're pushing it down so hard. 90. I want to close 96. Yeah, I should be out. Okay, $10. So maybe 901 again, because very often that happens that it starts going uh, gap and go, right? I guess it's called. So red candle, and now we're gonna have nice. Is it going? Look, that's how tricky it is with this one. I'm done. Mine's tripping. So thanks for Photoshop. JPEG. Right. Change. Okay. Trading. Oh, photos. And save. Okay. So, actually, it found the bottom here, didn't it? Because that's right. That's a good entry actually. I'm in. Oh shoot, bastard! Missed that entry. Didn't click in time. That's a very good entry actually. I marked that previous support. Look, it's very important place. Why didn't I? Oh, come on, I know you can do it. 87. I'm in again at 82, of course. And I'm going last last time. Oh my gosh. Don't. I don't want to lose everything on this. But I'm ready to get stopped out. I'm okay. 874 is my average. Yeah, it's going down, but it's got this I think it's SMA line, so it should bounce a little bit. I'm gonna try to get out for a few cent profit. So if it bounces back to 879, I should be able to close it, but it's really, and the volume's going down as well. I should be closing it. Oh, they're fighting for it. I'm out. Okay, thank God. I was happy to close it. I think I've learned my lessons. I had what 400 shares. Um, it's so it's so risky this. So I got caught. I should have waited a little bit longer. So that was a good entry. But yeah, looking at this 5-minute chart, um, so I was able to to save myself. But yeah, I'm happy to take that loss. If it's gonna go under and it's gonna sell off hard, I'm out. This could be a good entry again. This is double bottom, but like, are there any buyers? I don't know. It could have been. Yeah, that's for the short. Uh, for 10 points for short 10 points. It's still selling off. Okay, so let's see what other levels do we have here. It's really hard to see. Maybe here. kind of. Let's see, looking here. Oh, I didn't draw these lines. So if I'm gonna increase the screen size here, you see that's the problem, just being lazy with drawing the lines properly. So I would say maybe from here, let's see what it gives me. Like so, no, but that I'm interested more over here. No, tricky. This one, maybe here, like this. Yeah, I was kind of tested here before it broke up there. I'm thinking I'm gonna put this here, and also I'm gonna put the one from here to there, I guess. Yeah, and what can we do about these levels here? I don't see anything obvious. What if I try to and do something like this? Not really. Okay, let's just get rid of it. About here, that's more like it. Although it gives me nothing special. Hold on, I'll have to take this. 1 second. Okay, so it's curling back nicely. I was trying to find those levels, and at the time, during the time, it already went back nicely. But as you can see, it's so slow. Then you see lots of I see lots of red on the time and sales, and I'm hesitant, and I closed too early. It's just slow. There's no nice push on it. Just thinking I'm gonna connect these. I'm just looking at the chart here. That's a good, quite clear support at this point. See how nicely it's curling. Damn it. And it's going back a little bit. I mean, the volume is lower, so the spread is not too bad, although it's not. Oh, now it's good. So I don't know. No, see, it just went there. So actually, it's another descending resistance at this point, I guess. Well, maybe not for long. Yeah, I'm actually glad I'm up on it with the way it's moving. Playbacks 3, what is that? Concurrent viewers. I don't know. I have someone watching, maybe. So yeah, doing all my practicing with trading. Day 64. Where are my stats? There. Trading. Everything opens in here. Right. Okay. Look, it broke this resistance line. Kind of tested, not fully, but it's the volume is picking up. It seems, at least by looking at the time and sales. and now it slows down again. So overall, in this week, I've been able to be profitable all days, which doesn't happen very often. But Friday didn't finish, so I don't want to jinx it. I might do something silly on Friday because I have a cushion. Crazy, huh? It went all the way back there. Is it gonna? So that was that level. 984. And the volume increased. Might be double top. Yeah. If it's over 10, 1001, I might be interested. But there's a name for this situation. I have to check what it is. Where's that? It's called trigger trap. When people don't have these lines and they think, one, this is broken, they are safe to enter, but they don't know about this one, and they kind of buy, and then there's a big sell. It doesn't mean it's going to happen now, but it's something to be aware of. This is kind of testing. I'm gonna buy a 1001. Yeah, go, Libby. Go. No problem. Let's see what happens. So I have my active order to buy a 1001. But so the volume has increased. But with the amount of selling, as it seems to me, I don't see that it's gonna break that level. So what is that called? Trigger trap. Yeah. So basically, if I entered on this candle on this one, I would already be stopped out because I see that it's not breaking. They broke the level and then sold off, so I would be out for a loss. So being aware of these ascending resistance levels is very helpful, and it's called the trigger trap, as I said. So now might have been a better entry, I guess, if it's gonna go up. It does really want to, seems to want to go, but that's a big red candle there. But the volume is increasing. On the 5-minute, you can see that this one has got a lot more interest because it's getting closer to the open as well. Okay, I better be careful. If it goes really quickly. Nothing yet. Okay. I'm out. Gonna hold that level. It does seem to hold the level. I'm out again. I'm trying to. I'm in again. You see, I just don't like how it moves. Up and down, up and down. I'm gonna go for 10. Can I get 10? No. Okay, I got some $11 here. Fish. So yeah. See, it's over 10 was 10.19 was the top. There, yeah, I was holding it for a bigger move. Oh, look at that. That's a nice one. Yeah, it's not going. Okay, sold it for a lot. Should have entered it earlier. Yeah, not as exciting this one. Just churning shares, uh, nothing else. Should have held it actually. See, it curled up. It does want to go up, isn't it? I think I might go in for 1001 entry again. Maybe this time it will have a bigger move. Ready? Come on, dude. Come on. I don't know. I just don't like it. Oh, now it's moving. Is it? I'm in. I'm out. Is that? I think if it could get over 20, yeah. Out. I'm gonna put it on 21. Huh. And I'm gonna take some 10 cents if I can. Yeah, there it is. I got an order. I put a stop loss limit. Yeah, at that level. But you see, I lost now money because that's what it does. No, lost there. Okay, made lost 12, made 12. But then with the commissions, I'm actually losing money. But yeah, crazy. Um, let me reduce the volume here. I'll have to check how Roth traded that one before. I think I mean, he's holding his buys much longer, not like me. I went in, but bought quite at the wrong, like a bit high. So let's see if it comes back. Doesn't seem to want to. I'm still in a negative. Also green. Look how much green there is, but it's still not going up. I bought. There was lots of buys there. So I'm in with 300 shares. Okay, positive eventually, but look at that. I'm just gonna be happy if I'm gonna make anything. Okay, $31. Yeah, but I should have, so that hit pretty high. So it kind of broke that. Once it broke that resistance, it just exploded up. Oh, rubbish. I, I hope eventually when I have large cushion, I'll be able to hold these trades, not the ones going against me, but the ones I'm kind of in a profit, to just push them, make them work a little bit harder. At this point, I'm happy with those tiny gains. But look at this now. I mean, come on. I would have made like $200 on it. with just a few trades if I held it properly. Okay, what's the high? 1024. Now decreased volume again. Is it a leading gap? Yeah, it is. The second one's ARTL, 15 million shares. Maybe that would be easier to trade. ARTL. Right. If you're selling, if you're a seller, yeah. So SPY is set to open a bit lower. Plus, it's Friday, so sometimes there's less going on Fridays. So there's like a support line, isn't there? Might be a good place to get in. Um, hmm, would that be the line like that? I guess something like that. But look how low the volume is now. Yeah, I just broke it. Oh, that's a nice entry. Can I make some? Yeah, okay. $10 on that one. Quick entry at the bottom. Those are very risky because I've been caught so many times when it goes like that, bounces tiny bit and then just continues lower and lower, and I keep adding and it still cannot find the bottom, and then I'm looking at holding 500 or more shares and being a couple $100 down. Nice. So 901 on my screen is the view up level, but on the proper system, I think view up would be different. That would be he's looking something else. I don't know. Can't see it now. FSR. Not moving a lot. What do you think? 901? It's not a bad entry. No, but look, try that. It can just go right through. I've been also try yeah. Based on my short experience, I try to enter at the view up and very often it will just go right through. At least my view up, which is not accurate, I guess. Yeah. Right. I want to see that FSR. Wow, look at this. That was a nice one. Yeah, that's clean. However, it's only from 1767 to that's just $1 there. So it looks much bigger as a much bigger move, but it's not that big. So FSR has no, that's 277 million. No, I'm looking at it even. So look at this. I'm in for it. Oh, what did I enter? I entered like already. I'm out for $4. You're gonna head to 901. Nothing exciting. I'm out. Ah, come on! I wanted to get in. Oh, you. I thought it's gonna go down to 901. I wanted better entry. Oh well. Look at this. Hmm. What is it going to do? Right, 9:22. So 8 minutes left. 7.5 to the open. So if I'm gonna close positive, not negative, it's gonna be a very good week for me. Here are my stats. So this week, after commissions, if I was trading live and I had the entries, fills, executions exactly as I did in demo, I would be $1,274 up already without counting today. I don't have the number of trades because my system closed because I disconnected the internet for a minute or two. So this is the graph. I'm already higher than I ever been just following the rules in the last month. And trading much smaller share size than before, but here I was holding the losers. So it seems if you just follow the rules, you will be profitable. Simple. Yeah, so there are my red days and green days after commissions. So obviously they are much smaller here because I'm trading smaller size. Obviously the gains are smaller as well. These are bigger, but then these drawdowns killed me in the past. So hopefully I've learned my lessons, and when my account gets opened, I'll be able to make money. First time in my life in doing this like properly. Look at this. That's really strong health, isn't it? You see? You don't know when it's gonna stop. Okay, it found the 84. Might be a good one. Yeah, because it's gonna. I'm gonna enter here. Um, because it's a support, a selling support. It might not work, but we'll see. Doesn't seem to want to do it. Averaging down. So give me any profit. So 890, 890 I would need to close to get out of this mess. I got in with another 100 shares. Did it find the bottom? Okay, I closed it. Yeah, it's a risky. It's just it's close to the open. It's selling off hard. I managed to find the bottom, but I was risking 300 shares. What I should have maybe done is just close some for profit, and then just hold the rest. And I could hold it. I could sell the rest at this resistance now, which is now broken. See, so that's one of the things I have to learn, to be smarter with my trading, because I'm just leaving so much on the table doing this. On the other hand, I don't know. we'll see. We'll see how it works. So let's take a perspective view. So this is how it moved. So it went under this. So it was such a nice support, and it broke that support line, kind of bounced off of here, and but it's quickly rebounded. Right. Okay, I'm gonna mark my levels for the open because this is the main one today. Um, I know my chart is messy. How about so I have these lines. I haven't got this line here. I don't know. I might just clean it up. Right. That's the whole thing. I might connect this one as well. Too high? I don't know. Right. Get out of here. Thank you there. I want this thing. Now, my screener. Okay, let's see what's going on. It's testing that level again. So look at the mess. I should keep it more tidy, but I don't want to miss anything. I don't want to miss a level that's not marked. It's not really working this. Not sure. I'm just gonna move it. How about... No, that was different. So maybe this one and that one now. These create a new support line. Let's see how these work. Do I need this one? I think I can remove this one. Just tidying up a little bit. So that's selling off a little bit. Okay. We got 10 seconds to the open. That's the leading gap at the moment. Cloud. No, it can't be. Something wrong with this. Never mind. E and N. Oh, it's not interesting. And 25. I don't know. 1001? Can try. Still recovering from my flu. My kids had a runny nose, and I got it the worst. They made me ill. So yeah, nothing exciting. Is it a false halt? Oh, there's a lot going on there. Okay, hold on. I'm just seeing what. Okay, I think that's halted. That's that. That's rubbish. I didn't really look at this one. Okay, that's selling off as well. is gonna stop. 235 is the level, the limit down level. I'm just checking. Let's just see if we can quickly mark something here. Is it gonna? Yeah, it correlates with that. I'm in for a quick profit. What? I got it. I got some profit. I got $20. Yeah, you see, just quick line. I saw this is the level. It was kind of stalling there, so I went in, but hold it. Hold this stupid trades. Ah, so quick to take my profits. It's just crazy. Well, slow and steady. So slow and steady, little by little. It's not a race. It's a more like a long distance a race. Long distance. It's a what is it? Ultra marathon. So hopefully within a year's time, with experience, looking at the charts, looking at how the stocks move, getting better at my hold times, getting better at drawing the lines, having more experience with level 2, because when I trade, I sometimes don't look as carefully at that. So many things. Also the understanding how those stocks move, like I'm sure there are similarities to some, and yeah, just getting used to them and learning how to trade a specific stocks behaving in a specific way. So all sorts of things to learn as a beginner. Like that, all of a sudden, kind of exploded up. Biggest gainers. Okay, so clear. Yeah, okay. I'm not looking the right place. Claro is the biggest gainer. ARTL is the second one. Look, if we break this one, this resistance, it already did. So three. Missed that one. Should have. Look at this. Should have bought that on the break of that resistance at 3. Yeah, that was perfect entry. Is there gonna be an opportunity, or am I chasing? I'm not chasing, definitely. That's a slow down. Is that a good entry? Might be. I'm gonna close some in case it's what? That's how much it moves? I'm out. Okay. Another entry. Ah, this is rubbish. Crazy rubbish. Super slow. I'm out. I don't like it. 50 million shares is the float, I think, on this one. Oh my gosh, it's not. That's a good entry. Should I try? Just gonna take my 10 if I can. I'm out. Ah, of course. It doesn't know what it wants. Okay, clue. Clue? Let's call it clue. Clue open. What is it doing? Nice. That's my big support here. That would be a good entry. It's kind of double because of this horizontal one and this one. Could have been a good one, but never know. I would be more maybe interested. I don't know. This one is a nice one, but it's much lower. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna go in just real quick. Then, yeah, look how nice it kind of tested that. Beautiful. But is it gonna go lower? It's hard to see it so fast at the moment. No, it okay, went lower. You see, that's the danger. How lower? How much lower is it gonna go? It's gonna test that. 770, 80. I'm in. I don't know if it was a good idea. I'm out for $6 loss. Is it a good idea? No, it's selling off. Can I see on the level 2 that it's a good entry? Yeah, it sold off a little bit too high. Oh my gosh, I should have been. I'm gonna take 10 cents if it gives me 10 cents. Okay, so it's funny because when that 1 minute candle breaks this this support line, the descending support line, it feels like it's just blackness. It's just bottom, like it does now. Like, would I want to enter here? I don't know. It's just so scary. There's nothing there. At least I didn't mark it. Um, so it feels like I don't want to get in. But when it popped up, you kind of feel it will curl because maybe there will be people taking profit. There was those who went short. I don't know. And by buying the shares back, they will push it a little bit back, so you can kind of get some kind of get some profit out of it. So it kind of did it again, and it goes up. It wants to close above that line, so that's a good indication of what might be coming. Like, yeah, a little bit of a reversal of this downtrend, but I don't know. So where did it stop itself? I don't know. Not okay. Makes sense. Yeah, a little bit, but you can find a candle on any level. But is there any way of marking this out? Anything that pops out, that stands out? Just any lines that need to be added? Because I got a forest of lines here already. Trees. A sip of water. Decrease in volume. This huge candle, huge red one, and yeah, that's when uh, the halt was, and then just these. So you see, it wants to stay above it, clearly. It's funny how it respects some of those levels. Like, I just marked those, I connected these two from the pre-market, and look, that's where it stopped. And it looks like it's getting ready for the next move, whether it's gonna be up or down. Consolidating here for a little bit, but I'm not sure if I want to be buying it. Oh, it's Friday after all. Just close the week green and be happy with it. I think I didn't also trade yesterday after I stopped the stream. That was it, I think, for that day as well. So I don't seem to be trading much after the morning. I used to stay a lot, but seeing those profits, I'm thinking like I'm not gonna sit all day in front of the computer. I'm happy. I'm just gonna take what I have. Not I'm not gonna be too greedy and just close it. And this week, since I started streaming, it's been all profitable. So really happy about that. Yeah. Okay, let's see what else is moving. Before I finish this thing. Uh, W&W. Okay, nothing exciting. This one. Alright, I kind of don't like it. I don't like it. Uh, keeps sticking to this line. Uh, Bigger gators. So Cleo, I call it ARTL FSR plus. What's that? I don't know. Friday can be slower, and I think everyone's tired after the whole week of excitement, and you don't always get big moves on Friday. If I look at my stats, uh, this was Friday, so 190 only. This was an exception. That was great day, great Friday. So you never know. This was easy, lower. This was lower. That was quite okay. This was the lowest. So yeah, generally there are exceptions to these, and you can get some unbelievable moves any day. So, but from my observation, since I'm really making those notes, then I make just this gesture like this? Yeah, I'm not handwriting it. It's funny because I'm really so excited about the trading live, but scared at the same time. I really hope it's gonna be. Uh, I don't want to say as easy because following the rules should be easy, but mentally, I just hope everything works exactly as. I mean, I know it won't exactly, but I want it to be so that I can do what I'm doing here with maybe some small alterations. Oh, I wish it's gonna be similar. We shall soon find out. I think I will stream live my first day as well. Although I was thinking about it, maybe I shouldn't do the first day stream, but I think it helps me a little bit recording this. So I kind of try not to do something too stupid. So kind of holds me accountable in some way, and I'm not just doing it like only for myself, but if there's gonna be someone watching, I'm maybe they'll learn something from it. So I don't want to do any silly stuff. Uh, but show you what the experience is. My experience is with switching from trading in demo, because everyone tells you go to demo, practice in demo, you should prove you can be profitable in demo, and then go to live. Yeah, it's all great as long as uh, you can actually use the skills and techniques that you use in demo uh, and transfer it to live account. We'll see. I guess it is helpful. I mean, I learned lots of things that are, maybe the execution might not be the same or something, but you still learn by watching level 2 and drawing the lines, see how the stock behaves. So that's helpful for sure. There's lots of things. So yeah, like with anything, not everything has to work. So we have a nice break here, 339. That may be stopping some. I'm gonna go in just for the sake of going in. Because it might be stopping the short sellers, although it's going down now. See, bastard. I don't like it. I told you it wasn't a good idea to trade this one. I've entered it again. It's awful. Just give me 5 cents. I'm closing it. I don't know. 351. Am I right? RTL 3. I don't like it. It's look how much time it spends at that level. It's like, seriously. What I said, 50 million shares? Ah, I don't like it. I don't like it. Big red candle. At least I didn't close it for loss, but after commissions, it will be a loss. Small loss, though. It doesn't know what it wants. Yeah, I think I'll call it a day. Happy. Whatever got, yeah, 263. On Monday, because I traded in the afternoon, Monday and Tuesday, I think. So I have 536, 583, that. I'm not going to transfer this data to my spreadsheet yet, but in case I'm going to see something and trade a little bit more. But that's it. I think that's it. For those who will ever watch it, thanks for looking in, and you probably know by the point you watch that I have been trading in the life, hopefully in the future, and whether I'm green or not, but we'll see. All right, thanks for everything, and see you in the next one on Monday.